So I'm at the park right now, and you can see the squirrel right there on the ground, and the squirrel is just eating nuts, run up in the tree, and all the trees are just so beautiful, and I'm attracted to coming here to these trees and just take a deep breath and see God creation, how great God is. How can someone look at me and tell me about satanic? How can anyone look at me and tell me that I don't love God? It's impossible. How can I not love God? Look at his creation. Look at earth. Look how beautiful the trees are, and the wind blows through them, but you never can see the wind. You never can see the wind, but you can feel the wind. And that's the grace of God. Love is only come from the heart, true love and forgiveness. Love is something that could conquer your soul. Love is beautiful, and love is kind. But you must know love. God is our keeper, our only commander and chief on heaven and earth. And never mistaken me for the wrong one. Definitely not for the wrong one or for the wrong reason. I'm turning my video like this because I don't want to catch anyone in my video, so I have to turn it sideways. So guys, pick up yourself, and I love you. Life is what you make it. Well, God created us all. We all human beings. No matter your skin color, no matter your type. It's only God that created us and all living things. And when you can love yourself, you will love people, and you will understand that love conquers all. Look at the trees, how beautiful they are, at peace. But soon, when it starts to become fall, all the leaves will fall off, and all the branches will just be branches, you know what I mean? How beautiful, how great thou God is, how great. And all the branches be sticking up there, but after all the branches sticking up there, only branches, the tree look like it's dead, and it stays like that until right through the winter, all the leaves will go away, all the leaves will fall off. And you know, when I first came to America, I said to myself, you know what, these trees are all dead. But what I did not realize is the trees are never dead. Just like Jesus' love will never fade, and Jesus' love is always going to be with you. And no weapon that form against you will actually prosper at no time. Look at this beautiful squirrel in the tree. Hello, darling. Hello. And it's a beautiful one. And he's right on the tree. Yeah, see his head sticking out? Yeah, that's a squirrel. I don't know how close I can get up. Don't jump in me. I don't know. You look like you will spring. Hello. And he's still there. Hello. Hi. And beautiful God creation. And that's how it is. God created all things. And I'm here, and it's beautiful. Take a look at this tree. And all trees are living things also. Don't you know that? All trees, they're actually living, they're not dead. Take a look at this one. How beautiful and great thou art. How beautiful and great God is. And it's a wonderful thing when you could walk around free like this, and you don't have to worry about someone blowing you up, or you live in a war, an era where it's just pure war and all of that. So basically that's what it is. So I'm just over here right now, and I'm just chilling and taking it easy. Guy with his dog playing, just having a wonderful time. It's beautiful, New York City.